around the elbow joint. For that, we should draw the humerus first. This is the humerus, the edge of the humerus actually. The main contribution is about the brachial artery, which is a continuation of the axillary artery, and it actually divides into radial artery and ulnar artery, as you know. And from the top, it gives a branch called the profunda brachial artery, which divides into anterior descending branch and posterior descending branch. Anterior descending branch is also called radial collegial artery, and posterior descending branch is also called middle collegial artery. So here it gives a superior ulnar collegial artery and also the inferior ulnar collegial artery. And here the radial artery gives a recurrent branch called the radial recurrent branch, radial recurrent artery you should call. It forms the anastomosis with the radial collateral artery or the anterior descending branch of the profunda brachial artery. And here the ulnar artery also gives the recurrent branch to the inferior collateral artery to form which is called anterior recurrent, anterior ulnar recurrent, and also the posterior ulnar recurrent to form the anastomosis with the superior ulnar collegial artery. And also we have another anastomosis which is formed by the posterior interosseous artery, which is a branch of the ulnar artery. Ulnar artery has three branches: posterior interosseous, anterior interosseous, and common interosseous branches. And the posterior interosseous gives a branch which forms the anastomosis with the middle collateral artery. This branch is called interosseous recurrent artery. And these are the four anastomoses. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the four anastomoses formed by this. And now we should name them, right? I'll give the names first. Let me tell you. This is the brachial. Wait a minute. This is the brachial artery. Brachial artery. Profunda brachial artery. Profunda brachial artery. Superior ulnar collegial artery. And this is inferior ulnar collegial artery. Here this is middle collegial artery, and this is the radial collegial artery. And here in the round it is interosseous recurrent, and this is radial recurrent. This is the radial artery, this is the ulnar artery. Also this is, yeah, this one is actually wait a minute, let me draw again. This one is anterior ulnar recurrent artery, and this one is posterior ulnar recurrent artery, which is a branch of ulnar artery. And this is the posterior interosseous, anterior interosseous, common interosseous. That's all about the labelings, and let me give the names from. Yeah, this is how it looks after labeling. I guess it's worth it and you understand it very well. That's all, guys. Subscribe if you find this useful.